Primo Wild Rose Heuchera, frequently asked questions. Hi, Ferb here. As a plant enthusiast, I've been getting a lot of questions about the Primo Wild Rose Heuchera. This vibrant shade-loving perennial is a standout with its unique foliage and ease of care. So, I'm here to answer your most common queries about this beauty. What is Primo Wild Rose Heuchera? Primo Wild Rose Heuchera, also known as coral bells, is a herbaceous perennial belonging to the Heuchera genus. It's prized for its stunning, large, rosy purple leaves with bold, charcoal gray veins. This eye-catching combination makes it a fantastic addition to shaded areas in your garden. The Primo, in its name, signifies it belongs to the Primo series, known for its larger, faster-growing habit compared to other Heuchera varieties. This translates to a more substantial presence in your garden beds. How do I care for Primo Wild Rose Heuchera? Here's the good news. Primo Wild Rose Heuchera is a low-maintenance plant. Here's what you need to know. Light. While it tolerates full shade, some morning sun helps intensify the vibrant foliage color. However, avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. It thrives in well-drained, moist soil with a neutral to slightly acidic pH, between 6.0 and 7.0. Amending the soil with compost before planting is beneficial. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Water deeply at the base of the plant, especially during hot weather, to prevent root rot. Fertilizing. Generally unnecessary unless your soil is severely depleted of nutrients. A light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can be helpful. Pruning. Simply remove any dead, damaged, or spent flower stalks in spring. Winter care. In colder climates, zones 4 to 9, mulch the plant well after the ground freezes to protect the roots. How big does Primo Wild Rose Heuchera grow? At maturity, Primo Wild Rose Heuchera reaches a height of 8 to 10 inches and a spread of 18 to 20 inches. Its compact size and mounding habit make it perfect for borders, edging walkways, or adding pops of color in containers. Does Primo Wild Rose Heuchera flower? Yes, it produces upright, dark burgundy rose flowerscapes with matching dark buds that open to rosy pink flowers in the summer. While the flowers are attractive, the foliage is the true star of the show. Can I grow Primo Wild Rose Heuchera in containers? Absolutely. Its compact size and vibrant foliage make it a perfect choice for adding a touch of color to patios, balconies, or decks. Just ensure the container has drainage holes and use a well-draining potting mix. What are some companion plants for Primo Wild Rose Heuchera? Primo Wild Rose Heuchera pairs beautifully with a variety of shade-loving plants. Here are a few ideas. Hostas with their contrasting green foliage. Ferns for a lush, textural combination. Astilbes with their delicate, feathery plumes. Variegated Hakanekloa grass for a dynamic interplay of colors. How is Primo Wild Rose Heuchera different from other Heuchera varieties? The key difference lies in the Primo series' focus on larger, faster-growing varieties. Compared to other Heuchera cultivars, Primo Wild Rose Heuchera offers a bolder presence and quicker growth, creating a more substantial impact in your garden design. Does Primo Wild Rose Heuchera attract pollinators? Yes, the rosy pink flowers attract butterflies and hummingbirds, adding a touch of life to your shaded areas. Is Primo Wild Rose Heuchera deer-resistant? Yes. Deer tend to leave this Heuchera variety alone, making it a great choice for gardens frequented by these browsing animals. There you have it. With its easy care, stunning foliage, and compact size, Primo Wild Rose Heuchera is a fantastic addition to any shade garden. So, why not give this vibrant beauty a try?